I wonder if I take you there, would you believe in fairy tales? Oh, a place where no one feels the pain, living with our suffering. The roads are paved by loving hands, energy from turning fans. Oh, so won't you open up your eyes so you can see this paradise? Oh, I won't die to get to mine. I want this thing alive. I'll take my paradise on earth. Yeah, hey, I'll make my paradise on earth. Oh, oh, I'll make my paradise on earth. Hey, hey, I'll take my paradise on.
Happy birthday, Kimi!
Happy birthday, Kim!
Hi loves! Happy birthday! Namimiss na kita. Namimiss ko na yung kwentuhan natin. Itong si Bon, hinahasil ako sa pagbibigay ng video sa'yo. Alam naman niyang mahihain ako. Pero para sa'yo, eto ako. O, diba? Ang kapal ng mukha ako. Happy birthday! I love you. I miss you na. Sana bumalik ka na dito. O kaya dalhin mo na lang kaya ako dyan. Bye-bye! Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you.
Hi Kim, happy birthday!
Peace out, Posse.
Para sa ito.
Spread the love.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, kids.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So Kim, happy birthday. Enjoy your celebration. See you around.
Hi, Kim. Happy birthday. We miss you. Ingat ka palagi dyan and stay strong. Bye-bye.
Hi Kim! Happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan palagi and good luck sa work. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Ate Kim! We wish you all the best, good health, and also happiness that only heavens can give. Good luck sa lahat ng endeavors mo. Yun lang, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and God bless.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
The best night in the world. Happy birthday, Kim. Wish you all the luck and success in life. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kimi! Ingat ka lagi dyan. Love you. Birthday, Kintay! I miss you. Love you. Ingat ka dyan palagi.
Hi Kimpay, happy birthday. I miss you.
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Ang sweet ni Bon. Nag-collect talaga siya ng mga videos. Effort eh! Miss na miss ko na ang Mean Girls. Miss na miss ko na ang banding, ang chikahan, kamalditahan. Anyway, hoping that your day will be special. And I really missed you. I love you.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. I miss you with my friends.
Happy birthday to...
Hi Kim. Ikaw din. Happy birthday.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Wish ko para sa'yo ay mas lalo kayo magtagal ni Kuya at saka sana magkatuluyan na kayo, ha? Huwag ka mag-aalala dun kay Kuya kasi walang ibang chicks yun dito kundi ikaw lang. Sige, bye.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Nga pala. God bless and enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Kim! We love you so much and we miss you. We pray that all the desires of your heart will come to you. Lagi ka lang maging happy. Put God first in everything that you do. At saka yun, ewan ko kung malapit ka ng ikasal. Good luck. Love you. Ikaw, anak.
Good night, love you.
Good night, love you. Ano wish mo kay Tita King sa birthday? Ano wish mo kay Tita King? Maging pretty pa siya?
Yes.
Mas maging pretty ka pa daw at saka sexy. Kasi happy birthday, Tita Kim. Dito, tingin ka. Sabay tayo kiss. Sabay tayo ng kiss. Mwah. Mama Chup Chup.
Mama Chup.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Oh, hi Kim. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na?